What's going on, new money? Just want to bring you guys a quick video on my thoughts on Picoin being down, why I personally am not worried, and as a matter of fact, why I am actually more bullish now than I was yesterday. Of course, none of this is financial advice. Always think independently, do your own research, and subscribe if you want to see more of my thoughts on the crypto market and my crypto journey. Let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm sure if you're watching this, you're already aware Picoin is down pretty bad today, somewhere between 20 and 25% on the day. And I'm not saying the price of Picoin couldn't keep going lower in the short term, because it's definitely possible that it does. But what I will say is that for me as an investor, this doesn't change anything or any of my investment thesis. Right now, in general, across the board, all markets are down right now because there's so much macro uncertainty. Markets hate uncertainty, especially in the short term. And right now, crypto still tends to follow other global markets. And since there's a lot of geopolitical uncertainty and a lot of craziness going on in the world, all markets are down, not just Picoin. So in my opinion, whenever we get some certainty or some clarification around the tariffs, the wars, the US economy, etc., we'll see markets bounce back, crypto markets and Picoin both. Another reason why I'm personally not too worried right now is because no major news came out that I could find between yesterday and today on Picoin or Pi Network, which signals to me that this is just normal market fluctuations. I know calling 25% correction in one day sounds kind of crazy to call that a normal market condition. However, this happens every single bull run to every major crypto since Bitcoin was first mined. And even more broadly, crypto is still an emerging tech. And so is Picoin, which tend to be volatile in general. Especially as investors try and figure out what's the fair value for a new technology, things are especially volatile. So now let me go ahead and get into the reasons for me why I am actually now more bullish today than I was yesterday, despite everybody flooding the market and all this nonsense. Is because first things first, if you check out CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, you can actually see that Picoin right now is currently ranked 7 in the top 10 in terms of volume, excluding stable coins. And if you even include stable coins, they're right now ranked number 10 in terms of volume. This is without them being on almost any major exchanges or centralized exchanges. I think the biggest exchange that they're on right now is actually OKX or OK Exchange. And what this signals to me is that there is a lot of demand for Picoin right now. If there's this much volume on the coin without most people in the world actually having access to it, that to me is a bullish thing. And another reason why I'm bullish and sort of off of that same thought wave, and this is a little bit confusing, so stay with me because it's really important to understand, is that because volatility and volume tends to lead to more volatility, and more volume, which tends to lead to more attention, more volatility, and more volume. And that positive feedback loop continues usually until the end of the bull run. So what I mean is when traders see that there is a lot of volatility on a coin and high volume, they are more tempted to go ahead and start trading that asset and leverage trading that asset because they can make even more money even quicker off of it. This leads to more trading, which leads to more volume, which leads to more price action, which leads to more attention as people talk about the coin or crypto, no matter what it is. And they tend to write articles about it and how volatile the asset is, etc. So if you're an investor and you have a diverse portfolio and none of your thesis has changed on any investment, including Picoin for myself, then try to, if you can, think about these market corrections and dips as opportunities to get a discount. Long-term investors with cash are actually really happy right now. When you go to the store and you buy something and you see that it's on sale, do you go and get upset because you bought it in the past for a more expensive price, or are you happy because you showed up to the store today and it's actually on discount? That's sort of how, in my opinion, I'm looking at the market. That's how I'm looking at Picoin and anything that I'm bullish on long-term as an investor. So to me as an investor, that's why today didn't scare me at all and actually made me even more bullish on Picoin and Pi Network. So guys, if you got any amount of value from this video, please like it, max engage, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and start mining Pi using my link in the description down below. And because lastly, of course, it's easy not to be concerned about the price when you actually just had to push a button to mine it and you got it for free, excluding your time and your energy that you put into actually clicking that mine button. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, there's smart money, there's dumb money, there's old money, and years from now, they're going to be calling you new money. Thank you, guys. I'll catch you in the next video soon. Peace.